Hello everybody. I said I was going to do a Dollar Tree haul. I can't use my computer. I don't have my camera and everything set up. So I'm having to use my phone and upload it from there. So I need to make this quick. But this actually came from Family Dollar. It's metal with some beads. And then I got 2 of these pumpkin signs from Dollar Tree. Can't hardly see them. And then 2 of these from Dollar Tree. I found these. I'll use this for Christmas to make Christmas tree, but it's the witch hat frames. They didn't have any of the pumpkin wire frames. And then I thought these little bows were cute. I normally make bows, and I got 2 of these from Dollar Tree. Maybe you can see it better if I leave it on the table. Got 2 of those. And then I picked up some of these, well, here's another. It's a pumpkin sign, but I'll use the back of it. And then these tags, which I'll use the back of, they're actually from summertime. I'm just flipping all over the place. And burlap pumpkin, those felt, or what do you call that? Velvet pumpkins. I really like the blue color. And then some wooden slats. Since I don't have a Cricut or anything like that, I find they didn't have much to choose from, but there are these. And then I love this. They have the corrugated metal, and I got, I think, 3 of the silver. And then I thought this copperish color was cool. And then some of these pumpkin, little ornament pumpkins, they come 8 in a pack. This little pumpkin that I'll do something with. I was excited to find these. I got 2 of the orange and 3 of the white. They're the little with the thingies on the back. And then burlap leaves in burgundy, natural, and then some of these other shaped leaves. And I got some florals, I think, from Walmart the other day, but I don't remember which ones I got or which ones I already had. I know I got this from Dollar Tree. I already had lamb's ear, but I got some pumpkin floral picks, but those came from Walmart with cattails. And I don't know which ones I already had from before. Let me see. Oh, and these ribbons. This one, and then the one with the red truck. I got 3 of those. I wish they had blue truck. And I think I already had this one. But that's probably not all, but it's all I can think of right now, and it will probably take forever to upload this from my phone, but I can't get my computer set up just yet over here. So thank you all for watching, and I will have a DIY coming out. I'm hoping for Tuesday. I can barely walk today, even though I didn't do as much as my hubby did. Not near as much, but we're getting there. So thank you all, and you all be watching for DIY. You all have a good Sunday.